Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to ADS in Valorant. Aiming down sights or ads is a fundamental mechanic that significantly impacts your accuracy, especially at range. It provides a zoomed-in view, allowing for more precise shots. However, it's not always the best option. Understanding when and how to use ADS effectively can elevate your gameplay, giving you a crucial advantage in various combat scenarios. Let's dive into the specifics. Knowing when to engage ADS is key to winning duels. For long-range encounters, ADS offers superior precision, making those headshots much more achievable. Conversely, in close-quarters combat, hip firing often proves faster and more effective due to the reduced movement speed while aiming down sights. Practice transitioning smoothly between these two firing modes based on the distance to your opponent for optimal performance. Fine-tuning your in-game settings can dramatically improve your ADS experience. Many players find success by setting a slightly lower mouse sensitivity for ADS compared to their hip-fire sensitivity, allowing for finer adjustments. Experiment with your field of view to find what feels most comfortable and gives you the best visual clarity. Remember, personalized settings are crucial for consistent aim. Consistent practice is essential to master ADS. Spend time in the practice range, focusing on tracking moving targets while aiming down sights. Learn to pre-aim with ADS when peeking corners, giving you a fraction of a second advantage. Combining ADS with crouching can further reduce recoil and improve first-shot accuracy, turning you into a more formidable opponent in Valorant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.